5 reasons you should set boundaries. Putting boundaries in place in your personal relationships is a long process. It helps determine what behavior you accept from others and vice versa. These boundaries come in emotional form, verbal form, and physical form, whichever you feel the need to set. Boundaries are something you may often hear about but might not often set in place. They are great to implement in really any relationship. It gives you relationships on your terms, so nothing ever goes over your personal limits. 1. Gives self-confidence. Being able to set boundaries in your relationships and having others respect them will give you personal respect and often the respect of others. This is a type of respect that helps to grow your self-confidence, which will help you blossom into who you are meant to be. By doing this once, you get the empowering sense of self-feeling that setting boundaries gives an individual. Once you understand that feeling and experience it, then you will want to continue doing it. This gives you your life on your terms, which should happen for each and every one of us. 2. Feeling of safety. Although you might already feel safe in all of your personal relationships, setting boundaries takes it to a different level. If you are able to have this conversation in a respectful manner with another person, then that gives you a look into their inner person. Knowing who they really are can give you a great sense of safety in itself. However, if you give them these boundaries and they respect them and work with you, then you will feel even safer with or around them. They are showing themselves as an understanding and respectful person overall, which is who you truly want in your life. 3. Get rid of toxic people. By attempting to set boundaries with people, you are able to see who truly has your best interest at heart. If there are those that you talk to that give you a hard time about setting boundaries or refuse to apply themselves to them, then it is time to get those people out of your life. This is a great way to filter out toxic people. Those who truly care about you and want you as a part of their life will work with you and respect whatever boundaries you put forward. Toxic people will rebel against them and gaslight you for having them in the first place. 4. Making healthier decisions. There are those toxic things that everyone does, such as have too much to drink or have a smoke, etc. Sometimes these bad decisions are linked to bad people, sometimes not. Either way, by creating boundaries, you are distancing yourself from the situations in which you would make these bad decisions. Maybe through this, you will even be able to make better decisions on top of not making these. Trade that alcohol for some electrolytes or that smoke for a salad. The possibilities are endless when you start to set boundaries. 5. Improvement in mental health. Setting boundaries can do wonders for your mental health. Your emotional boundaries can set standards for what you won't tolerate in terms of manipulating or gaslighting. Physical boundaries can help you set standards so that you do not get triggered by a movement or something along those lines. These will all bring feelings of empowerment, which gives you a renewed sense of self. Once you feel empowered and safe, it is much easier to work towards a healthier mental state. Setting boundaries is a great idea for everyone in every area of life. Set physical and emotional boundaries with friends, families, significant others, and coworkers. You will feel much more in charge of your life and have the ability to live it to the fullest extent.